Hello everyone, this is Chef Angelica. What do I have under there today? Look at that. Wow, I wish you can smell this. I'm making butternut squash quinoa. It smells amazing. Starting to thicken up. About 30 minutes. Instead of using traditional veggie broth, I pureed some butternut squash and made my own sauce with my spices and herbs. Look at that. And I used almond milk, so you have protein in the almond milk, your quinoa super protein rich, as well as garbanzo beans in there. So this is a triple threat, and oh my, so tasty. Look at that. I got chopped red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, red onions, white onions, some garlic, and we're going to add additional butternut squash that I had frozen from the squashes that I broke down. We'll get all that in there. Look at that. It is going to be so tasty. You can top this with some coconut yogurt. You can go more savory and put some fresh herbs, sprinkle on it. Look at that. You can go sweeter and maybe even add some mango chutney or salsa on there. Look at that. Have a bowl of this in your fridge. That is amazing. I will leave the recipe in my description. Please subscribe, like, and share. Support me as I go through my amazing vegan conscious culinary journey. Check out my Instagram. It'll kind of give you an idea of my food portfolio and what I'm all about and what you'll see to come. Thank you for supporting me. Please share. Peace out. Eat your veggies.